Have you ever felt like you're talking, but no one is listening? Like you're invisible? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll look at why this happens and what you can do about it. You only talk about yourself. Honestly, no one likes listening to a one-man monologue. If you're always talking about yourself, ask, is this conversation a two-way street or just me? Body language speaks louder than words. If your arms are crossed and you look unapproachable, people will instinctively stay away. If you're avoiding eye contact or looking distracted, people will assume you're not interested. And if they think you don't care, why should they? Imagine talking to someone who won't even look up from their phone. Feels bad, right? Don't be that person. The best conversationalists aren't the ones who talk the most. They're the ones who listen the best. A simple nod or leaning in slightly makes people feel heard. And when people feel heard, they like talking to you more. If your body language says, stay away, people will listen. Instead, try open gestures, make eye contact, and use a relaxed posture to look approachable. People love conversations that feel fun and natural. Try making a lighthearted comment, asking interesting questions, or reacting with enthusiasm to keep the conversation alive. If you apply these simple tricks, listening more, using open body language, and making conversations engaging, you'll notice people paying more attention to you. Try it out and let me know in the comments. What's one thing you'll start doing differently? If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on improving your social skills.